From vintage PCs to laptops, the world is getting advanced day after day. Now, a tablet with a big screen, low power slab is preferred by most of the users, but the real challenge is to find the one that fits your budget. And guess what? We are here to make it easy for you. Get the best tablet for you with the super used top picks of the best budget tablets. You can buy it right now in 2021. So today's video is going to be more interesting, as the mind-blowing facts and features of the tablets will be presented to you that you didn't know before. So let's get started. Packs a lot in for the price. Yes, you heard right. Apple iPad 10.2 comes with a gorgeous, bright and colorful display. The iPad 10.2 might not be the newest basic iPad, but you can buy it confidently, and it will be supported for years as it is powered by Apple. Pixel Slate is much similar to iPad Pro, so if you are a lover of iPad Pro and cannot afford that highly priced tablet, you can go for this one. It comes with a stylish design and contains a 48-watt battery that lasts up to 12 hours of battery life. The front back camera and a touchscreen LCD display screen provide a sleek look and feels like a full desktop. The Pixel Slate has an option for Google Assistant, and overall it's just a great tablet. Fire HD10 comes a long way from the first Kindle Fire tablet. The Amazon Fire HD10 is Amazon's biggest tablet, with a 10-inch screen size and powerful speakers. Fire HD10 tablet is packed with benefits for Prime subscribers, making it easy for members to stream and download movies, TV shows, and games. Also, this is probably the best thing you have on the best budget tablet list. Galaxy Tab S6 packs in a lot for Android devices. It has a speedy 855 processor and flexible expandable storage up to 1 TB with a micro SD card. The battery life of Tab S6 lasts for about 15 hours, and the rear camera has a 13-megapixel resolution. So just grab a keyboard and you will be all set to turn your tablet into a full-fledged PC. Galaxy Tab E10.5 comes with Google Android operating system and plenty of flexibility. Coupled with the large HD display, the Tab E10.5 is great for movies and web browsing. So if you are looking for an Android iPad rival on a budget, this is the Slate you should consider. For media and basic app use around the house, it's a strong choice and budget-friendly option for you. Tablets are big enablers for creativity as well as productivity and for entertainment. Which during 2021 is needed more than ever. So that's all about the best budget tablets. Go ahead and choose the one from the links given in the description box below. Well, this was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Let us know about your opinion in the comment section below. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon for more updates and notifications. Stay safe and we will be back soon with another video.